Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. Today I'm going to show you the reason you pay shop premiums for professional installers and not just look for the cheapest installation available. So as we can see here, there's some no-name Chinese system in here. We didn't check the quality, the customer already complained he had a lot of problem with that. But we're also going to show you the backup camera. So the installer that did the backup camera did a very quick, very easy install. The problem is the installer, first of all, didn't even bother, making sure, since the system already have lines, to make sure that you have lines either on the camera or on the system. There's no really need a reason to have a messy picture like that to see both lines. But the worst part about it is the camera is reversed. The left side is on the right and the right side is on the left. And what happens in cases like that is you actually, when you go reverse, you put yourself more at risk because you have to start figuring out to what is closer, on the right or on the left. And when you see the picture the wrong way, it's confusing, and eventually you just don't use it. Now the reason is, in this case, is because the camera is a very low quality. As we can see, it gets blinded very much by the sun. Also the customer complained that at night he can barely see with that. But we noticed that this camera does not have the options to be reversed, so you cannot choose left and right. It's one of those cheap cameras that it only comes in a one way, in this case the wrong one. So we're gonna put for him our own camera. If you want to have installations done properly, you can always find us at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.